The third na given class, what if bigyan ka ng slope and a point? Paano mo ma-solve ang equation of a line? Okay, ang slope and a point, meron tayong tinatawag na point-slope form. Ang point-slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. M is the slope, 2 is for the x sub 1, di ba 2 is x, 1 is for the y sub 1. Substitute then, lipat lang yung y sub 1 sa kabila, so you'll get your answer. Sige, let's start with number 1. Okay, I'll copy the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Ilan si y sub 1? 1. Y minus 1. Ilan si m? 3. Ilan si x sub 1? 2. Gana, this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. Tapos, what will happen next? 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Tama? So, solve for y para may slope-intercept form ka. 3x minus 6. Paano? Ilipat si negative 1 sa kabila. Negative 1, positive 1. So, y equals 3x. Negative 6 plus 1. Negative 5. So, meron ka ng equation of a line. Okay? Paano to standard form? Lipat si 3x, negative 3x times negative. O yun, alam nyo na yun. Okay? Another example. Okay. Slope is negative 4, x sub 1 is 4, y sub 1 is negative 2. And the form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Y minus, ilan si y sub 1? Negative 2. Hindi ko dapat diretsyo ng y minus 2 ha, kasi y minus sa formula yan. Tapos sa negative 2, lagay talaga dyan. Ilan si m? Negative 4. X minus ilan si x sub 1? 4. Negative times negative, it becomes y plus 2. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. Solve for y. So, negative 4x plus 16. Lipat mo si positive 2. It becomes negative 2. So, y equals, final answer, 16 minus 2, 14. So, ito lang final answer mo. Pero pag ang ipahanap, standard form mo, lipat si negative 4x. Ganun lang. Okay, let's see kung sino nakatama sa numbers 3 and 4. So, following the formula, just copy the form first. Okay, so, what is our y sub 1? Diba negative 3? X sub 1, negative 3. Be careful sa sign ha. So, y sub 1 is negative 3 equals, ilan si m? Of course, halata, 4. X minus, ilan si x sub 1? Negative 3. Negative times negative, it becomes positive. Unahin ko muna to ha. Hindi ko muna i-multiply. Negative times negative, positive 3. Tapos dyan na ako mag-multiply. Kopya ko muna, 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 3, 12. Anong gagawin dyan? Solve for y baya to. 4x plus 12. Lipat si positive 3 sa kabilang side. Becomes minus 3. So, final answer, y equals 4x, 12 minus 3, positive 9. Ito ang naka-answer. Tama. Number 4. For number 4 naman, class, tingnan natin kung sino ang nakatama, ha? What? Y sub 1, 7. Ilan sa m? Negative 6. Ilan sa x sub 1? 2. Y minus 7 equals, multiply ka na diretso, no? Kasi wala namang ganito pareha kanina. Negative 6 times x. Negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 2. Positive 12. Y equals negative 6x plus 12, lipat si negative 7. Ilipat mo si negative 7, it becomes positive 7. Final answer, negative 6x. 12 plus 7, 19. This is the slope-intercept form, ha? Okay. Ang last example natin, class, what if bigay sa atin 2 points? So, meron tayong tinatawag na 2-point form. Okay. Observe nyo, anong kapareho niya? Pare-pareho siya sa point slope form. Ika nga lang, dito is M. Sa 2-point form naman, class, ang M niya, di ba ito ang formula ng slope? Okay, sa 2-point form, class, kailangan mo pa i-solve ang slope. Unlike kanina na nag-given na ang slope. Yun ang kaibahan nila. Okay, let's have this example. Okay, let us identify where is x sub 1. Okay, this is our x sub 1, this is our y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay? So ngayon, substitute y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Ang formula ng slope kasi mag-solve pa tayo ng slope times x minus x sub 1. Y minus, ilan si y sub 1? That's 2. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1, right minus right. Diba yan ang slope? 6 minus 2 over 4 minus 3. Times x minus, ilan si x sub 1? 3. Y sub 2 equals 6 minus 2, that's 4. 4 minus 3, that's 1. 4 divided by 1, class, it's 4. Okay, ngayon, di ba pareha na kanina, y? Dito, meron na tayong slope na 4. So, ano ang gagawin natin ngayon? So, y minus 2 equals 4 times x. 4x. 4 times negative 3. Negative 12. Solve for y. Y equals 4x minus 12. Lipat mo si negative 2 sa kabilang side kasi our goal is y na lang maiwan sa left side. Negative man siya, class, it becomes positive 2. Y equals 4x negative 12 plus 2, negative 10. So, ito na ngayon ang final answer mo. Okay, let's have example 2. Quantity 1, 4 and quantity 3, negative 10. What is our x sub 1? Let's identify first. X sub 1 is 1. So y sub 1, we have 4. X sub 2, 3. Y sub 2, negative 10. Okay. The form, 2-point form. Okay, tama. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. X minus x sub 1. Okay, let's substitute. What is our y sub 1? 4. What is our y sub 2 minus y sub 1? Right minus right. Negative 10 minus 4 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Left minus left. 3 minus 1 times x minus, what is our x sub 1, class? Di ba 1? Solve muna natin. Negative 10 minus 4, negative 14. Pag pareho gani ang sign, i-add. 3 minus 1, 2. Ano natin dito? Negative 14 divided by 2, that's negative 7. Negative 7 times x, negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 1, positive 7. Again, your goal here is to solve for y kasi slope-intercept form ba yan? So negative 4, ilipat, it becomes positive 4. Final answer, negative 7x plus 11. O, ito lang answer mo in slope-intercept form. Okay, let us check kung sino ang nakatama for number 3. Okay, kopyahin ko muna yung form ha. Okay, let's identify what is our x sub 1. 0 is our x sub 1. So 4 will be our y sub 1. Negative 3 is our x sub 2. 16 is our y sub 2. Y minus y sub 1, ilan? 4. Equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1. 16 minus 4. Right minus right. What is our x sub 2 minus x sub 1? Negative 3 minus 0. X minus, ilan si x sub 1? 0. Y minus 4 equals 16 minus 4. That's 12. Negative 3 minus 0, that's negative 3. X minus 0, x na lang yan dyan, class, no? Tama? Kasi x minus 0, wala naman talaga yan dyan. So, x na lang. After that, y minus 4 equals 12 divided by negative 3. That's negative 4. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Solve mo ba yung y? Y equals negative 4x. What will happen to negative 4 pag ilipat? It becomes positive 4. So, ito lang answer mo.